Welcome to our channel. Today we how to install PagerDuty integrations for instant incident updates, detailed guide step by step clearly. To get started with installing PagerDuty integrations for instant incident updates, first, log into your PagerDuty account. Navigate to the Integrations tab on the main dashboard. Click on the Add Integration button to begin the setup process. In the search bar, type the name of the tool or service you wish to integrate with PagerDuty. Select the appropriate integration from the search results. Review the integration details to ensure it meets your needs. Click on the Install Integration button to proceed. Follow the prompts to configure the integration settings. This may include entering specific API keys or authentication credentials, depending on the service. Once you have filled in all required fields, click Save Changes. Next, test the integration to confirm it is functioning properly. You can do this by simulating an incident within the integrated tool. Check your PagerDuty account to see if the incident updates reflect accurately. If the integration works as expected, finalize any additional settings or notifications. If you encounter any issues, refer to the integration's documentation for troubleshooting tips. Once fully set up, inform your team on how to use the new integration. Regularly monitor the integration to ensure it remains functional over time. Make adjustments as necessary to improve incident response efficiency. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.